This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your available credit and its expiration so you don't lose value. Next, add a payment method and immediately set spending alerts to prevent surprises. This preserves credits for intended use. Once done, grant least privilege RBAC to team members and enable cost management exports to CSV. This creates a baseline. Make sure to record the subscription ID and tagging policy. Now, so every resource you create is trackable and billable to credits. Now deploy with cost control in mind. Pick free services, B-Series VMs, or spot instances for non-critical jobs because they stretch credits further. Once deployed, tag resources by project and owner, set budgets with alert rules, and schedule shutdowns for dev/test environments to limit hourly charges. Use Azure Advisor and cost analysis to identify oversized resources and idle assets, then right-size or shut them down. Make sure to automate repeatable deployments with infrastructure as code to reduce human error and unexpected spend. Finish by running a final audit. Check daily spend, export billing CSVs, and reclaim or cancel unused reservations to preserve credits. If a grant is expiring, migrate key resources to a new subscription or schedule workloads to consume credits appropriately. Use Resource Mover for safe transfers. If you encounter unexpected charges or a sudden spike, immediately pause non-essential resources, open a billing support ticket, and drill down cost analysis to identify the culprit. This lets you quickly reverse changes and prevent further loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.